Green Mountain Power is expected to win approval to raise customer electric rates about 5% in the new year. The Public Utility Commission decision is likely to come next week. But the state's second largest utility, Vermont Electric Co-op, is asking for no increase at all. Good news for its 38,000 member customers across northern Vermont.
This is going to be the fourth consecutive year that we're going into the new year without a rate increase.
How is that possible?
You know, we have a great team at VEC, and we spent a lot of time with the technology investments that we've made previously are really paying off now, where we're seeing opportunities with our power supply and operations.
Also tonight, we're getting the first numbers in on the cost of repairs from that Halloween windstorm that snapped so many poles and trees across our region. Green Mountain Power saying today the repair bills are coming in much lower than initially thought, roughly $9 million. GMP's spokeswoman says they'll seek to recover about $7 million in a temporary storm surcharge on customer bills starting in 2019. VEC, meantime, says its repair costs came in at roughly $2 million.